So over the past year or two, I've reviewed a lot of different types of tech, from household vacuum cleaners to home thermostat to Wi-Fi cameras. I've done a little bit of everything, and today I got another cool piece of tech to show you. And this one is geared mostly towards your small business owners or even your larger retail owners, but this is also applicable in your home use. Today we're taking a look at the Cilico Iot800. This is a wireless barcode scanner, guys. Scans both 2D as well as 1D barcodes, and it's good for your home office inventory, grocery stores, retail stores, supermarket, just anywhere that you think you'll need a barcode. This is applicable. Now, this is not just any barcode scanner, guys. As you can take a look at it, it does have an LCD screen. It does connect via Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or USB, and it also has different storage modes, from receiving to ship to WHSC1, WHSC2, as well as HSC3. As far as your compatible operating systems, Windows XP, 7, 8, 10, as well as Android 4.0 and above, iOS, and Mac OS X. Now, one cool thing about this barcode scanner is that it doesn't need to install software or install drivers. All you need to do is plug in the USB port and you're good to go. Now in the box we do have a USB charging cable. This is a micro USB charger. We also have the charging brick. We have a QC sticker, and this is just basically saying that this was thoroughly tested out of the factory. It also has a quick start guide, and this is both in English and in Chinese. You do have the charging base. Feels pretty premium. This is a glossy plastic, but feels sturdy. This is the cradle or the dock for the charger, and we do have the USB port right there for charging. And last but not least, we have the scanner itself. This has the same material as the charger. It is a hard plastic, really glossy, feels premium. On the bottom we do have our contact. We also have a micro USB charging port on the bottom. Here's the trigger, nice and clicky. And we do have the screen. We also have the LCD, which is basically the Android buttons, guys. You have the menu, your home button, as well as the back. Let's go ahead and peel off the plastic. Peel this off the front too. All you have to do, plug that in. Does come up a little bit. Looks good. Feels good. And let's go ahead and power it on and test it out. So let's go through some of the menus first. So all the way to the right, we do have the power. Turn it off. We do have device information. So from here you can see the current mode, Wi-Fi status, the Bluetooth status, USB status, version, as well as the user's guide. The back button, we have our settings. So light settings, you have our Chinese settings, options to save your settings, your target encoding. You can end settings, and you do have keyboard inputs, time settings, factory reset, and you do have an option to set up a password as well. Let's go back on out. We do have our inventory. If you click there, inventory mode, you can either turn it on or off. You do have received, ship. You do have WHSC 1, 2, as well as 3. Next, you do have scan, and this is a default mode that it will be on when you power the system on. So if you click on it, you can see a quick list of the items that you recently scanned. You do have the Bluetooth, and you do have SPP mode as well as the HID mode, and you do have the option below to pair another device. Over, you do have IoT. So if you click on that, do have two different modes there, and within each mode you can either turn it off or turn off a publisher as well as subscriber. Next, we do have our network settings, so connect to the Wi-Fi. So you can pick your protocol here, guys, so TCP or UDP. Last but not least, you do have your USB option, and within USB you do have serial mode and you do have your keyboard mode. So right now I do have it connected via Bluetooth to my computer, and I'm gonna go ahead and do a couple test scans. So let's go ahead and scan a couple things, guys. So chapstick, you can see it pops up right there. Go ahead and scan it again. So super fast, guys. Look how quickly it's reading, and it's checking that in on my actual spreadsheet. And on the LCD screen, it does give you the barcode that you're actually scanning. So this is a QR code. Let's go ahead and scan that. There's a QR code that it just scanned. It's for the AirPods. So it took a while to find that one, but depends what kind of reader or what kind of code it is. It might take a little bit longer, guys. All right, so found it, no issues. This is my Samsung 360 camera. Picked up that with no issues as well. Here's a Tribit X Sound, and stand by, this review is coming by real soon as well. And for this, you can see this is a QR to their Facebook page, so if you look, you can see those are right there on my sheet. So basically scan everything that you have. Gatorade. Sometimes it takes a little longer to read it depending on orientation. So scan that with no issues. So definitely, if you guys are in the market, I do recommend this product, guys. This is a scanner. It is kind of pricey. However, if you're looking for something quality, something with the LCD on top, and this might be a perfect match. So we'll be leaving a link in the description where you can pick it up, an Amazon link. Also, we'll be leaving a link to their website if you want to go ahead and check them out. If you have any questions about this, drop them in the comment section below. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.